Indian Railways is set for a new era of mobility as India is set to launch its very first hydrogen powered train this month. Not only this, India has also started trials for its first ever hydrogen powered trucks. And wait, by the way, India has already launched its first ever hydrogen bus several months ago. So, how are these hydrogen powered innovations different from regular trains, buses, or even trucks? How is hydrogen driven technology helping India, and what are the advantages of using hydrogen in the first place? Let's understand in this episode of India on the Rise. First things first, Indian Railways is set to roll out India's first hydrogen-powered train by March 31 as per ET Now reports. This innovation will place India amongst the global leaders in mobility alongside other nations like Germany, France, Sweden and China. So where will the train run? The Integral Coach Factory in Chennai and the Research, Designs and Standards Organization in Lucknow is currently building the train, and once completed, it will be operated by Northern Railway's Delhi division on the Jind-Sonipat route, covering approximately 89 kilometers. What makes this hydrogen train particularly remarkable is its unmatched power capacity, a staggering 1,200 horsepower, which is more than double the strength of similar hydrogen trains operating in other countries. The interesting part about this project is that this train is slated to be among the longest hydrogen train in the world presently. It will be also among the maximum powered hydrogen trains in the world, according to Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. Further, the Ministry of Railways has allocated 2,800 crore rupees in 2023 to 24 to develop a fleet of hydrogen fuel cell based train as part of India's vision for India's clean energy transportation. Hydrogen trains use hydrogen as a sustainable fuel source rather than other conventional fuels. Hydrogen as a fuel is clean, efficient. When consumed in a fuel cell, it produces only water. It can be produced from a variety of domestic resources such as natural gas, biomass, nuclear power, and renewable power like solar and wind. There are different types of hydrogen like blue hydrogen, pink hydrogen, green hydrogen, and grey hydrogen. Unlike traditional trains that rely on conventional fossil fuels, hydrogen trains produce electricity by combining hydrogen with oxygen in a fuel cell, resulting in zero emissions and only water vapor as a byproduct. This process offers a promising solution to decarbonize the railway sector and reduce air pollution. This initiative also aligns with India's commitment to achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2070. In terms of cost efficiency, hydrogen-powered trains typically have higher initial costs compared to diesel-powered trains. In another landmark development, India has launched the first ever trials of hydrogen-powered heavy-duty trucks. Tata Motors, the country's largest commercial vehicle manufacturer, has initiated this innovation. These trucks, equipped with new-age hydrogen internal combustion engines and fuel cell technologies, will be tested on India's most prominent freight routes, including those around Mumbai, Pune, Delhi NCR, Surat, Vadodara, Jamshedpur, and Kalinganagar. The trial phase will run up to 24 months and involves deployment of 16 advanced hydrogen-powered vehicles with different configurations and payload capacities. So what do you think of hydrogen being used in different vehicles? Do share your thoughts with us in the comment section below.
For more of such videos, do like, share and subscribe to ET Now Swadesh.